Okay, quite often when you're working word problems, you'll see the words average rate of change. Average rate of change right here in the bottom of this one, okay? And so that is simply asking you to find the slope of the line if these were graphed, if you were to see them on a graph. So what we can do is we can take this and we can write this information as an order pair. So here we have said the number of people participating in the Federal Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program has increased from 17.2 million in 2000 to 47.6 million in 2013. Find the average rate of change in the number of people using SNAP from 2000 to 2013. Okay, so we can see that the number is increasing, 17 million, 47 million over a 13-year period. Okay, and so you can kind of see the idea here of an average rate of change. We're trying to figure out how many people is it changing per year. All right, so that's telling me that when I calculate my slope, it's the number of people per year. Okay, and that's kind of the same thing as the rise versus the run of a graph. Okay, so when we think about this information here, we can think of it as an ordered pair. So the first ordered pair here would be the year 2000 has 17.2 million people on food stamps, and the second order pair would be the year 2013, and then 47.6 million people. All right. And so now we can just employ our slope formula. One more time, that slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so in this instance, the number of people, of course, are going on top, so that's going to be just subtracting the two numbers, 47.6 minus 17.2. And then on the bottom, we'll subtract the years, which is 2013 minus 2000. And some of this might be easy for you to do in your head, like the bottom here is just 13 years. The top, you may need a calculator. I think I can do this in my head to see. 40 minus 10 is 30.4 million people difference. And now you just divide those out since we want to know how many people per year. So I've got my handy dandy little calculator here. And we're just going to type in 30.4 divided by 13. And it comes out to, can you see that? Okay, this comes out to 2.338. And we're going to round it to 2 decimal places. So 2.34, and that is million, right? Million people per year. All right, so that's how you'd write your average rate of change. You want to do it per a single unit.